It's like coming from time to time, especially when I'm feeling the vibe. This could be the time of our life. Me and you makes two, that's a vibe. It's like coming from time to time, especially when I'm feeling the vibe. This could be the time of our life. Me and you makes two, that's a vibe. It's like coming from time to time, especially when I'm feeling the vibe. This could be the time of our life. Me and you makes two, that's a vibe. That's the vibe. That's the vibe. That's the vibe. Me and you makes two, that's the vibe. It's like coming from time to time, especially when I'm feeling the vibe. This could be the time of our lives. Me and you makes two, that's the vibe. That's the vibe. That's the vibe. That's the vibe. Me and you makes two, that's the vibe. It's like coming from time to time, especially when I'm feeling the vibe. This could be the time of our life. Me and you makes two, that's the vibe. That's the vibe. That's the vibe. Me and you mix two, that's the vibe.
Yo, yo. What up, what up, what up? Welcome to London. What's good, what's good? Let's get it. What up, Will? But what's that symbol that you guys are using? All right, W. Let's do it, gang. Let's do it like we've never done it before. Pre-London. We're trading pre-London. What up, Tim? Going to do a top-down analysis here on gold real quickly. So yesterday, super bearish day, like all day, bear. Today looks like we've created a bit of a daily top wick. Could we drive down today? Could we drive down today? I'll be honest, I haven't looked at the charts today really at all. So 4 hour, man, I'm bearish, you guys. I'm fucking bearish, man. Wow, I'm bearish. I want to sell gold. With the way that I'm seeing the market right now, I want to sell gold. The 1 hour is strong bearish closure, strong 30 closure, 15 closure. Yeah, so where the market sits right now, I'd love an opportunity to sell gold. So we'll see if that opportunity can arise. Let me put a level here. Don't really like closures below, but I don't like impulses below either. That green candle's a bit too big. Can you explain that NQ trade from yesterday? Yes, I can. What up? What up, Drew? Honest. Oh, too many levels in gold to the left. Let's have a look. Oh, for sells, it's beautiful. Like, yeah, man, we want to sell. Like, if we get a sell opportunity on gold, fucking, you know. Caught type 2 sell past phase 1. Let's get it. Big muntings. Yeah, NQ sell. I mean, there was one of the text. I mean, fucking this shit just doesn't stop going up. It's just one of our textbook setups here. Got a nice 30-minute confluence here with that closure. Engulfing on the 15. High volume time. Break at the low. Rode that bitch down. Beautiful trade. I mean, it doesn't get any more textbook. It literally, like, our playbook doesn't get any more textbook than that. For that particular setup. I'm a London boy. Who fucks with these New Balances I got yesterday? Bro, these were 800 dirham. Is that a ripoff? Let me actually let me do something here. Oh, beats are fucking pumping. Oh, beats are fucking pumping. Oh, beats are fucking. Sick. Live here on YouTube for the pre-London session. Pre-London. Live here on YouTube. Bro fucking doesn't know what to say. All right, man. Lock in, chat. Man, if we get a sell opportunity, that would be great. How to calculate 100 pips? Depends. If you're on MT5, you click that middle button on the mouse, and it brings up this crosshair thing, and you just drag it. If you're on Trading View, there's a picture of a calendar, a measuring, a fucking what? Oh my god, how's my brain not work? What's like a measuring thing called again? Calculator? Measure. Bro, a ruler! Thank you. Wow, definitely got a brain tumor. There's a picture of a ruler and you just click and drag. Dub. The most ideal scenario here for me would be if this candle could like push up a bit here, close like, you know, gay green, nothing interesting, and then from there get a bit of a run up and break out below this level. That'd be so fire, but who knows what'll happen, we'll see. I'm also starting 5K to 50K challenge now. I'm at 11K, let's get it. Yeah, good shit, man. Beautiful. Great progress. Great progress. As you guys can see on the screen here as well, in the description of this video, anybody that uses the link in the description of this live stream that wants to start their own personal account, this is my Dominion personal account as well. If you put in $1,000, you'll get $1,000 extra as a bonus for your first deposit. So yeah, I've just spoke to Raja about like trying to help the community out, and he said, yep, do it. Do 100% bonus for them then. So like, you're not gonna, this is like unheard of, bro. I'd be fucking jumping all over that. But I thought if the 15-minute support, I thought if 15-minute support before this support was broken by 15-minute, the next 15 closed in the range, and this is it. Send me screenshots. My brain's just too broken. If anyone has any analysis or any questions or anything like that, they want me to pull it up and talk about it on stream, here's a link to the free Discord. You can join that and post a photo in the Discord and be like, Daniel, check out the photo I just posted in Discord, and we'll pull it up and I'll have a look at it on stream. How long is that promo available for? Today only. No, I'm only joking. I don't know. After I took 3 payout with Lucid last week, got blown 550k funded. Yeah, pretty common, bro. Super duper duper common. Why am I MT5 4-hour candle open 1 hour before? I don't know, bro. So I can withdraw 100k. Fuck. Here we go. Have you traded with funded pips before? No, I think they're too expensive. I'm a cheapskate, so I just go for the cheap ones. Bro, my coffee machine working overtime. 100. Working. Does the bonus support floating or only margin? I mean, it's margin. It's margin. It's not like you can put in $1,000 and then they top it up to $2,000, then you can withdraw 2k. Like, it's just margin. Brother, I'm live on stream and these guys are saying, bro, if I put in $1,000 and they 100% bonus it to $2,000, can I withdraw it all? Give us your best Raja Banks breakdown of the 100% bonus. Yeah, 100% bonus is like crazy, bro. How much of your account? 50k to 100? I mean, I've got screenshots throughout here. This is when I first started the account. You can see I have all of the screenshots, but for some reason I can only find this one, and then when I got higher in the account. But you can see I started off on a good run. 2, 3, 4, 5 run, then probably an L. And then as you get up to the bigger numbers, a couple of L's here, a couple of dubs. This was like towards the end, I think. Towards the end, obviously you can see like big L's, but big dubs as well. My L's were always kept composed. My L's were never like crazy out of control type shit. All right, what do we got? There's closure here. The 30 didn't break below, neither did the hour. If you notice this, the 30 or the hour neither broke below this kind of level here. So if it drops, there's just no reason for me to justify a sell. Even the 15 didn't break below. My view on gold right now is that it's I'm very bearish on gold. I'm very bearish on gold. Working 9 to 5, enough to make a living. Wait, let me see. Yeah, look at Paige here in the mentorship. Let's go. Wow. Taking dubs whilst watching the stream. Thanks for the signal. Didn't want to trade it. Didn't want that money either. No, nice work. Beautiful stuff. Mercedes, if you've already discussed about what was your initial lot size on the 5K? I don't remember the initial lot size, but I was aiming, when I was in the 5K, I was aiming for like, 150 to 250 to 350 profit, around that range. Yeah. I don't remember the actual lot size though. No, I know you didn't mean it I was only joking about the withdraw it. I used to joke about that a lot when I did this in the past. Do you do back testing? Not anymore. I used to do a fair bit of MT5 simulator back testing. Like back testing with MT5 simulator is great. So even though there's no like reason, nothing broke out on gold, is it gonna just melt and dog us? Probs. There she goes. Man, gold's just been so temperamental lately, bro. It's just been so like, I mean, yesterday, I will say yesterday, for price action for the way that I trade and teach, was probably the best trading day I've seen in a long, long time. There was literally about 6 really good setups, and all of them allowed runners, which is something you just see so rarely. Yeah, man. Yesterday was like, it's just really cool to see that every now and then. Like, just some days where price just is just acting so nice, like beautifully in accordance to your system. I'm live on TikTok as well, so let the DGens in. Righto. Dan, I need your advice on how to pass top step account. Do I set daily profit target or do I risk more? You just trade good. You just got to trade good. Literally, bro. Bro, explain your mindset. Just in general. My mind. If you didn't have a YouTube channel, would you trade any other sessions, trade at random times? No, I have specific times in which I trade. Like, it's very important to trade at the right times. Very important to trade at the right times. Cool. Let me just show you this real quick. Lock in here for a sec. I'll show you. If you want to screenshot this, trust me, it's going to help you. Screenshot what I'm about to do. This is when I trade. Asia open for about 3 hours. So you got 3 hours there. Then after 3 hours, no more trading. Then 1 hour pre-London, we trade for about two and a half hours into London to 3 hours. Let's just cap it at 3. And then 3 hours after that, so 2 hours pre-New York and 1 hour into New York, no trading. And then 1 hour into New York onwards for a couple of hours is good. This is where I trade. You want to trade with volume, and these are all the best volume times. And from my experience in trading 5 years and just watching the market every day for 5 entire years, this is what I've found is the best way to approach trading, like which times and shit. Come on, gold, man. I was told you guys I'm super bearish, but it's just like, are we going to get a shot? Is gold going to be a dog like it always is? You're a dog, mate, like your uncle. He's a dog, mate, like his uncle. You need a back test for fucking 23 hours a minute. All right. But yeah, like you guys can see on the screen there, TikTok you can't see, but 100% bonus on first depos. See this, you guys? 100% bonus on first deposit. And let's just see what Raja just said here right now, actually. Oh no, I better not. He said don't play that on stream. So I better not open. All right, man. Who's keen on a closure below here? Yesterday's setup, bro. There was so many bangers, man. I don't even want to think about it. I caught a dope sell on NQ towards the end. Beautiful engulfing 15. The 30 closed bearish, failing above as well. Break of the low, retest, fucking yeah, like that was like one of our really textbook plays. This is one of the plays that's so textbook that it usually fails because it's like, if like, you know, infinite energy and universal consciousness comes together, it like creates a black hole or whatever. And that's sometimes when you get those super A+ setups, it's just like it's too much power in one hand and it just usually doesn't work. Ariel, what's good? China. Anyone lose money from Forex? Talk to me. Talk to me to make profits. Fucking hell. Yeah, so we'll see what happens. I mean, like, yeah, some days, like yesterday, you get crazy beautiful price action for price action traders. But then a lot of the time, like, gold is just so temperamental, right? It'll just leave with no clue, with no, like, heads up. That's why if you're a gold trader, you got to get so used to that, bro. You got to get so used to it. And yes, at some weeks or months, it happens more than others, but get used to it, bro. All right, man, you're spamming that too much, you're out. Set up on, can you tell us yesterday's setup on gold because you said there was a lot. Oh, yeah, I can't be bothered going back through, but yeah, I mean, a lot of the guys in the mentorship caught a fucking fair few and stuff. This was yesterday, yeah, this was yesterday. That was the NQ sell I took. I like these setups, break below, retest, nice. This actually ran for ages. You could have got a good runner out of that. Break above this level. Break above this level. Yeah, that was, yeah, whatever, that was good. But the thing that I liked yesterday is all of them you were able to get a really good runner out of them. Oh, you got a payout, Ariel? What do you think role does a confidence play in trading? Yeah, confidence plays a big role, actually. That's a good question. I would say confidence does play a big factor. Yep. Confidence, because you got to think about like what confidence even embodies. It's like, confidence also embodies, well, if I lose this trade, it's okay. That's confidence. Confidence isn't just, oh, I'm a great trader. I've got a couple minutes here, see if gold wants to hang out here. It's a bit extended, but I mean, I'm bearish, man. Congrats on buying your sister a car. Thank you, man. Yeah, now I just need a car. That's the only other issue. Yeah, nice. I mean, minimum, maximum, fuck it. As long as there's money in your hand, that's all that matters. That's literally all that matters, man. Money in your pocket. If there's one piece of advice I could give any prop trader, it's if you can take money out, there's like a payout opportunity, take that bitch. Don't be like, you know what? No, I'm gonna keep growing this. It's like, bro, the moment you go on your dashboard and it says you're eligible, press request. When I was cleaning up with Top Step and I was just juggling like multiple accounts, every time I would jump into the dashboard, I wouldn't even be paying attention to when my next payout was. Every day I would just check. I'm like, am I eligible yet? Am I eligible yet? And as soon as I see I'm eligible, I click withdraw. All right, we've got 50 seconds here. I'm relatively interested in getting aggressive on a sell. It's pretty extendoed, but I think we've got more room to move. I really do, chat. I've been in 5 days reds after I got my first payout, about to blow. Yeah, bust that shit, son. Review my trade. I took an Asia in the Asia chat. Let's have a look, bro. Let's just hang on a second. Let's see how this candle closes first. Remind me after this. Levels further to the left. I could have swore it was clean, wasn't it? Yeah, look, there's clean down to this point. Yeah, I want to sell down that. I think I'm going to get interested in a aggressive sell here. It is extended, but I think there's more room to move for sure. The situation is fucked. Big 30 closure, like big body 30. Just need a top wiki. What's good, C+? Yeah, gold's just fucking so gay, bro. Gold has just been so temperamental lately, like it's painful. Like you get days like yesterday where it's just like clean after clean after clean, and then a lot of the time lately it's just been like this. Or you're just not getting the fucking... Like I wasn't even, all I wanted was a little retest because I knew like you're gonna find yourself in these situations. I don't need a full retest. I just need a touch. I just need to see a top wick at least. Just show me a motherfucking top lick. We'll see what happens here. See if it wants to fail or continue. I don't know. Yeah, gold in Asia is always good. NQ breaking. I'm just skeptical on NQ. It looks like really whack volume. Don't like the volume on NQ. So let's see if this wants to reject back up in the range and potentially look for a buy, or we'll see what happens. But all I wanted was just at least, even if the wick was like that, I just needed to see some sort of range at the top being created. That's all right. Patience is a dick. What's the top wick confirm? The top wick just confirms like a couple things. If I take a sell without a top wick being created, I just know statistics are against me because candles statistically make a bottom and top wick far more than they don't. So it's not a good trade to be in. Yeah. Is silver really falling off the map? Holy. I wonder if the metals and shit will start dying down now because there's been talks of peace, war. You know, because shit's chilling out a bit. No, I don't have any like strict times where I go live. I just go live whenever I want. Nah, metals should go down in peace, you would think, because people like when there's fear and uncertainty, people flock to metals, specifically gold. But with that being said, who fucking knows? Like times where you think price will go up, it goes down and up, it goes like I really feel bad for like fundamental traders because I mean, you just could never predict, right? No, we need to wait for a green candle, right? Let's just see what this candle does first. Yeah, have to see what this candle wants to do. Yeah, we'll see what this candle does. Again, you guys here on YouTube, you can see here, first deposit, 100%. You put in a K, you get 2K in your account as margin. Link in my description of my video. Oh, here's Raja here.
So basically, there's a 100% bonus on first deposit. On first deposit, 100% bonus up to 1,000.
Yeah.
Or if it's Daniel, we can move it up to 2,000. But it's gonna take a day. So there we go.
There you go, my dudes. There you go. I think that's the craziest shit. Like that's the dopest shit that brokers do when you think about it. Well, not all brokers do, only Dominion Markets under Daniel Holmes trades. What do you think about trader Raja always lose live? I think that you'd be surprised if you live stream every day how many times you lose as well. The thing with live trading is traders don't typically sit in front of a chart for this long and just watch a screen. by the end of the stream, you kind of just get bored and you want to entertain, so you just do dumb shit as well. But if you give 500% bonus, 4 trillion% bonus, you put in $1 grand, you get $1 billion. Nah, I trade just 2 sessions. Shem just found life hack. Wait, if I put in 1K, can I take? Oh fuck! It's already begun. It's begun. Wait, so if a broker and how much you got to put in, and is it a regulated broker? Yes, yes, and yes. Live account Toshi. Uruku. Why you don't enter on previous candle? I don't enter on previous candle because previous candle didn't give me top wick. I needed top wick to enter and it didn't. It just like impulsively dropped. Yeah, and I feel like it wants to keep dropping and be a big bully. London sessions are weird, bro. Yeah, I think markets are weird in general. I mean, life's weird when you really think about it. Who's seen like these UFO like disclosure thing? UFO disclosure part 2, and then it's just like, yeah, I can just see a blurry thing of a fucking light. It's like, we have 9K video. Why can't I see an alien's dick up close? Like, why do I have to see a ball in the distance? You know what I mean? It's to the point I'm like, I'm the biggest alien person ever, but I'm like, it's just annoying now. It's like, just give me a fucking alien. We're at daily support right now. Gold most likely going to reject. Who knows? We'll see. Holmes, how you doing? Smashing the Grand Cup at Traderify? Bro, I don't even know anything about anything like that. I've seen one of my mates, BBC Trades, post something like that, but I don't even know what it is or anything about it. Oh, shout out from Brizzy. Nice, Lewis. Good man. Let's get it. Oh, any advice on scaling prop firms? My advice on scaling prop, I mean, you could probably watch my latest YouTube video, but it's like, scaling prop is a bit dirty, so it's like a matter of just getting more accounts and fucking getting more over the line and funded and blowing one here and getting a payout here. It's a cycle. The idea of scaling props, it's not necessarily a scale. It is to a degree, but it's more of a cycle. You kind of like cycle your way up. But if you're an advanced trader, like, it's really fucking, since I've grown this account to 100, that personal account, it's been so tough to go back to prop and respect it. Because I want to just go super aggressive, get a big buffer on it. And then I'm like, for what? A 2K payout? I'm like, and then I'm like, well, then let me stack multiple accounts, but then you run the risk of blowing multiple at once. So it's like, the best approach is obviously conservative. But if you can get a relatively decent buffer on it early, it makes it easier for payouts, but it's a risk. It's like, statistically, you're probably going to blow it if you try and get a buffer on it early, but it also pays off if you can. So you've got to like play the probability game a bit there. Domino's Markets. Domino's Markets, the #1 pizza in the industry. These aliens are the spiritual creature Christian refers to as spiritual as Islamic Ali Jinn. They are manifesting to busy humanity up with speculation and misdirectional showing off. Yeah, we'll make it fucking misdirect us some more and actually show us what you look like. Type shit. It's hard being an alien, being a human. Fuck, I remember this. Oh, fuck. What does the futures gold look like on the 4 hour? It's hard being an alien. Pretty similar. Are aliens feminist? 100%. How'd you like the trade nows in Bali? Yeah, I can't remember. I'm pretty sure it was all good. What's the main reason you teach people? Answer honestly, because there's a demand for it. There's a demand for it. I enjoy it, and it's also an extra stream of income. So they're the three main reasons. Morning, Daniel. Can you give some information? All right, man. What do we got? A minute and a half here. Fuck. Price really wants. I don't know, man. If this were to create a little top wick and then fail, and I like the idea of almost taking an impulse. You're my favorite scammer. Thank you, bro. Appreciate it. Can I have your bank details? I swear my ex-wife was an alien. Yeah, see, something like this, and if this were to... I wonder if this could flip red, back red. 17 seconds. Give me a bit more of a red body. Give me a bit more of a red body. Don't be doji. I might get aggressive with the buy here. I need to get out the first minute. I'm willing to miss the trade, but I need to get out of this first minute. What are the ranges like? Not too bad. Nah, I no longer stand while trading. No. No. Contract size for Top Step. It's whatever you want. I might put an order here. Give it a bit of breathing room. I'll probably give it 60 pips of breathing room. At the break of its high. Good morning, have a nice day. You too. Man, the signal bots are going hard on TikTok today. What's your spread? My spread's not too bad. It was just because I was zoomed in heaps. Should be, yeah, I think not even that. Like it should be like 1.5 pips or something. All right, dope. So here's this. Give it a bit of breathing room. See if we can get a bit of a move up. get aggressive with a buy off this support level here. Let me bring up my modify position order just to manage it. Five buy entries? Bro, the ultimate crickets in the chat. There can be hundreds of people, but regardless, it goes cricket central. Focus on the trade. Ah, fuck the trade. Bro, I'm not even lying. I'm gonna piss my pants, so just make sure the trade goes up. Oh, it's not Bitcoin. Buy or sell? Just both. One of them's got to work out. Someone said okay. Alright, Gold, where's the volume at, my G? What do you got for us? Big shout out for shouting and editing some of your content, bro. Wait, what do you mean? Oh yeah, some people do that on Apex, like hedge against their other accounts. I mean, they're going to get nerfed by that. There's technology now that can detect that kind of behavior with prop firms. What's the reason behind the entry? Just price failing this level, pretty strong support level, and just moving up. NQ. Yeah, again, I don't like the volume on NQ. Just been burnt by NQ way too many times with that small bodies, small candles. Quick scalp, get caught in a trade for 15 minutes for an hour open. Would you hold the trade through London Open? Yeah. Yep. You taking shorts? Go for it, King. Go for it, Twin. What's good, Hodge? Stop loss is just back in the range, kind of giving it a bit of breathing room if it wants to. Let her breathe. Breathe. Oh. Can we take short? No. You are legally not allowed to. There's legalities involved. The open will save your ass? I mean, the open will either nerf my ass or save my ass. If I can survive it before the open. Regardless, something is happening to my ass at the open. Let me survive the open gold. Please. I'll give you a pony. What platform using? Yes, that's right. Yep, 100% bonus. Yeah, this isn't good. Not very good. It's going to go up from here, Dan. I mean, I like where your head's at. So I'm going to trust you. I'm going to trust in what you're saying. Because right now it's not doing that. God, let us survive. Let us survive London Open. Do us a solid. Wouldn't you have nice setup form 15? Also, you're going to 1 hour candle. Sell if it closes below? Maybe. Not really. I don't really like those types of breakouts. Yeah, this is dog shit. Dog shit. Dead. This is why I don't miss trading. What? Because you lose a trade? I mean, bro, like, fuck. You thought you were going to get into trading and win every trade? This is why I don't miss trading. I don't win every single trade. Ten seconds. Yeah, Raj is hunting my freaking stops, bro. So when I can, I'm going to go BE because, or if I can, sorry, because what I anticipated to happen didn't happen. So if I get the opportunity to go BE, I 100% will. Even if this starts to maybe look, I might even close early. It starts to flip red. I'm going to drag my stop loss up higher now, so I lose less money. Because if this starts to flip red, it really has no like business doing so without continuing down at least. So like those small decisions can help you save money, bro. Trust me, it fully adds up. It fully adds up. Wouldn't you get a sell to break the... No, I don't. There's like... I mean, what's to the left? The 30... Not too bad. I mean, maybe. There is clean traffic to the left. Maybe. Pretty strong 1 hour closure as well. I just don't like those kind of plays where it's like a weird, I don't know, we'll see. I'm gonna drag my SL even higher now. Have you had any trades go longer than one? Yeah, for sure. But it's just not like, I'm a scalper, so it's like if it didn't play out how I anticipated it to play out, then I'm like, I'm kind of playing a game of trying to convince myself. I'm honestly not super mad at the idea of sells. I might put an entry at the break at this low if it comes down here. If this breaks the low, you go short. Yeah, I'm thinking about it. Yeah. I mean, there's no point getting super emotional or not seeing the market as it is just because you're in a trade. Like, if it does what I want to see, then might as well take the trade. I'll just close that position. %. Oh, nice, Josra. Appreciate you. Any of you guys that went BE, you're probably going to get BE'd there. Good management. Good management. I think the best thing is just to manage it. If it doesn't do what you were anticipating it to do, just manage. Lose less money. You know, try to take an aggressive buy off a level here. Just didn't want to do it, but I mean, I'm not super mad at the idea of a fucking break of these lows here. I've got a lot of range. Price is moving down. Got a 1 hour breakout. 30-minute held. 15 kind of broke below this level. 4 hours super bearish. The best platform, I mean, Top Step, Lucid, they're both pretty good. If this creates a bottom wick and then retraces and re-breaks its own bottom wick, I might move my position up. You should have been patient a little while longer and price would have returned to your entry point. Or I just do what I want to do. Why not short on the flip? Because I've got a few like rejections around here that, you know, for whatever reason price rejected off. So I'm like, if I short on the flip, I'm kind of shorting at an area where price keeps rejecting. SL would be like above current candle wick, 60 pips ish. But yeah, good management there. Way good management. Like, I mean, I saved myself fucking, you know, $1,500 just by managing that. If this flips green now, I'm going to move my entry up. All right, I'm in. And dude, that said, if I was just patient, it would have gone to my BE. Now you see why. It wouldn't have gone to my BE. It would have hit my stop loss just then. So it's better to just manage it, not hope for shit to happen. Thank you for W management. Yeah, I think that was good management. You're selling the bottom. No. You're right. I am selling the bottom. No, no, no. She gonna fall? Let's freaking hope, my dude. Oh, let's get ready to hope strat. Locked in on this new hope strat. So if this is going to push a bit, I'll look to take partials at a wick fill here. And potentially go, yeah, BE-ish. Yeah, pretty much radical. Yep, pretty much. I might show up for like the mentorship New York stream, but I don't know if I'll be trading. I might trade a prop account or something. Definitely would be done with this account though. Oh my God, it's 11-11. That means we're going to win the trade. That's how it works, right? Are you Ryan Gosling? Yes. Gosling these nuts. You on sale? As in, am I for sale? No, sir, I'm not for sale. Don't assume things. Really want this candle to break its low one more time and then I'll cut partials. I mean, I've never seen such a quiet chat. This is unbelievable. How many people are here? 600 people and it's just like Cricket City. And fucking 500 on TikTok as well. You guys are pussies. Crazy. Such pussies. Yeah, I want to see this low get broken one more time. My fingers on the partial triggers. All right, there's partials for me. I'm going to go BE here. Beautiful. Beautiful work. That's how you recover, my friends. I think that was a beautiful display of trade management. The first trade, for me, that would have been a 2K loss. It ended up being like 400. And then straight away, don't get stuck on the bias. If the market presents a better opportunity, just take it. Don't get over emotional about it. Just take the next best setup. W. Big W. That's real. Like, honestly, you guys, this is what trading looks like. It's just like this. Okay, it's a little bit like, oh, this didn't kind of work out. How can I manage it? And okay, let me jump. You know, this is doing this, and this is really what trading looks like. And now the goal is, okay, once you're done with this trade, just close it up and fucking just call it a day. You had a good day. You ended up green. You ended up green. So W if you were there for this. So let's see if we can get a runner out of this. Let's see if we can get a bit of a runner out of it. Fuck it, I'll be exaggerated. Last message I sent. The enclosure, no bottom wick. Can you flip here and break that low? Oh, is that green wicker hourly, Shem? Yeah. Imagine being happy for 30 pips partial. Imagine being in a TikTok chat broke. NQ longs? Oh, wow. Nah, I don't like when NQ acts erratic like this. I want to see consistent volume in NQ before I get ever interested. That's a difficult part for me to stop trading. Yeah, I mean, that's everyone, bro. But like, it's obviously, it's honestly, when I did the Bali Trades retreat with a bunch of the mentorship students, and I spoke to a fair few guys individually, and I said, man, if there's one piece of advice I could give you, trade less. Trust me, man, trade less. Yeah, I know, Shem, it's just tough with that candle closing with no bottom wick there. So obviously when it does that, there's that tendency for it to reject. Awesome. I'm really happy with that trading session. The good trade's the hard trade. You know, we end up to end up green out of this kind of little area right here. I think is a good effort. Managed the first one really well, and then got a nice fucking push here on the second trade. So W there, you guys. Great trading session. Thank you for joining the stream, and I'll catch up with you guys maybe later. Maybe I might do a YouTube stream on Friday or something. But thank you guys for joining. Again, if you want to start your own personal account, 100% bonus on your first deposit. There's a link in the description of this video. Thanks, guys. I'll catch up with you, Mentorship Cats in New York as well. Peace out, fam. Love ya. Goodbye.